a 12-foot by 40-foot, one bed, one bath. Just a beautiful cabin. They just brought it here, so I wanted to film it real quick. I know they don't have it fully set up yet. You can see they're getting ready to set it up as a model. So you got your mini split over there, window there. And again, nice open concept. You got a little built-in table here, table for two. And window here. This is your living room area. You got your kitchen with your regulation size appliances, regulation size stove, microwave, big old refrigerator. You got your sink, handcrafted Amish built cabinets. Again, that's just an extra piece of furniture. One thing I really like is, listen to this. You got that steel roof with the knotty pine walls. Super cool, right? Going down the hallway, it's kind of dark, so you have to excuse us. We don't have it fully set up yet. You got a full bathroom with a tub. There's your commode. There's your sink, your lights. Again, this is the view right when you walk in. Again, the dimensions on this is 12 foot by 40 foot. Okay. Going down the hallway, you got a spot here, of course, for your regulation size stackable washer and dryer. Put the washer on the bottom, the dryer on top. And then last but not least, you can see they're setting it up now. They got a full-size bed. Over here, you got your windows. Very cool, right? All kinds of natural light coming in. There's your electrical panel. Behind this door here is your water heater. Okay. And everything you need, nothing you don't. You know what I'm saying? Everything you need, nothing you don't. Again, you got another mini split here for your heating and cooling. So if you are looking for a beautiful small home built by the Amish, you got your easy clean vinyl windows here, double pane. This Poco Loco is awesome. It's going to be under the tiny cabin section on our website. It's offered in many different sizes. Again, this one is a one bed, one bath, 12 foot by 40 foot cabin. Okay, notice the little intricate details. You got that little rope going across the top of it. And again, this is where your bathroom's at. We don't have this connected to the electric here on the land yet, but it does have full electric already running through it. And again, I just love it. It's perfect, perfect size cabin. And again, one of the things I love about this cabin is just because you're going smaller, going tiny, whatever you want to call it, doesn't mean you need to sacrifice and go smaller with your appliances. As you can see, this is a regulation size monster Frigidaire, brand new refrigerator. That's a monster stove here. And then a Samsung regulation size microwave. Okay, so again, just because you're going tiny, don't mean that you need to give up on the size of your appliances. That's like a good size love seat there. You could put another one over there. And I love this little idea here, this nook for two, where it's built in and put a chair on each side. And there you go. You got your little dinner table. Have your little breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So if you're just looking for a small cabin, look no further than the Poco Loco. We do ship this one nationwide. And again, this is a 12 foot by 40 foot. It does come as a 2-bedroom, 1 bath in the 12 by 40 as well. And you'll see all the updated pricing right on the website.
Hello everyone. Today I want to show you guys our beautiful park model called the Rocky. Let's go inside and I'll show you this beautiful model. Hey everybody, we are in the Rocky model park, RV park model. We actually did a video for you all yesterday. We have one exactly like this on the lot that I'm gonna get into the detail and talk about the differences and upgrades and stuff like that we can do. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go back and watch the video. That way you can see what I'm going to talk about here. So from the very beginning, the one that we have on the lot, as you walk in, we have the kitchen just like this, but we do have a smaller living room and a bedroom right here. But to be honest, I fell in love with this one because it makes it really nice and spacious. I love it over here, and my son is really acting like he's so relaxed. But we did a drive and he's just chilling over here. But anyways, these are some of, I want to go over the upgrades because I love this one. This is actually, I think, for a customer that they made upgrades with the countertops. This is the coarse countertops, very cool. And if you guys remember the video we did yesterday and also can correct me if I'm wrong, I think we had shelves on this side.
Yeah, we had shelves kind of like this, but we didn't have full-blown kitchen cabinets like this.
Exactly, and that's what I was talking about yesterday, that you can turn these shelves into the cabinets. But some people like the static, which I do too. I think it just gives it a different vibe. It's really nice. And of course, the accent color makes all the difference. And in this one, actually, we have the same size stove, but we do have a little surprise over here. A little mini dishwasher comes handy. Very handy.
Can't go wrong with the dishwasher.
Exactly.
And something I wanted to point out as well, on the other model, it stops right here.
I think so.
But over here, they built an L-shaped island here, so that way you have a sitting room over here for your when you're having your meals. So you have 2 stools here, and now you have a spot to chill when you are eating your meal. Actually, I just noticed too, Nadia, could you?
Yes, I noticed that.
There's
more storage.
some storage space there that I just noticed.
Nice and deep.
Yeah, so now you have another closet here with more storage underneath the bar area. Okay, so super cool.
And look at this little nook over here to hang your clothes, store your shoes, or whatever you want to do. And it's the same color as the cabinets, just to bring everything together. And more cabinets up here. To be honest, there's plenty of cabinet space in this little RV model.
Yep.
And then again, I think everything else is the same as the one that we have on the lot currently, and that one.
Yeah, just the color scheme is different. They went with this kind of ocean, beachy, white and blue concept, which I think really kind of looks it's almost like you're on a permanent vacation, in this.
It feels truly like home, or I think this makes a great Airbnb.
Absolutely.
If you want to do that, which a lot of our customers love that. A walk-in shower, another window over here, stackable washer and dryer.
Whirlpool, right?
Yes.
Top of the line brand.
Absolutely.
And the windows are Anderson windows. And again, take a look at this, guys. Look at this shot of this living room and how open, airy, and look at the colors.
Windows, really.
Yeah, lots. Again, when you're in a smaller space and you have a shed style roof on the front side, big windows, dark floors, white walls or light walls and a light ceiling, it's gonna make the space feel a lot more open, airy, and livable. Okay, so let's make our way now back to the bedroom area. And
as you pass the bathroom, we just show, and this is your bedroom over here.
Electrical panel.
Nice and spacious with the beautiful windows over here. I love this. Gorgeous.
Yeah. So there's your second mini split, your Bosch mini split. There's your windows. Again, windows galore, guys. From the top of the ceiling to the bottom, you see all those windows. The fan up here blowing, keeping everything nice and cool. These are your screens for your windows. Obviously, they'll be installed after the home has been shipped. Again, there's your lovely bathroom. And let's take them outside and show them what the outside of it looks like as well. And then we'll just keep trucking along here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty, guys? So show them what the, yeah, you got a couple lights there. Again, you got this ribbed metal with the cedar trim, and then you have an electrical outlet down there. And I just love it. It's like I said, it's like that Scandinavian look to it. Just absolutely beautiful. You can kind of see the size of it now that we're out here. Nadia is about 5'2", 5'3", so you can kind of see how large the structure is. All right. Let's make a quick video real quick. We're on the second floor, the one we call the Big Bertha baby 1.0. We're on the second floor today. Usually I start outside of the cabin, but today I'm starting inside on the second floor. So let me show you this pretty cabin. This is an all wood cabin. Again, I'm a tall fella. I'm 6'6", and you can see I can stand straight up and down up on the second floor. You can see all the craftsmanship that goes into this. Absolutely lovely cabin. Again, there's your views from the second floor. Beautiful cabin. Again, this side of the loft, you can fit a queen size bed, or we can make the catwalk shorter and make the floor come out more this way, so we can go ahead and get you a king size bed in there, because, you know, for a lot of folks, they got to have that king size bed. Another thing we can do, you see how we got it wide open, kind of like an open concept loft. We can also close it off if you want us to, like we did over there. Wall it off and privatize it like we did this other lofted bedroom up on the second floor. So again, whatever your preference is, just let us know. We can either wall it off and privatize it, or we can keep it wide open like you see over here. So again, this is the view. There's your front door when you first walk into the cabin. There's your little dining room table there. That's built into the cabin. I'll show you that when we go downstairs. There's your back door over that way. And then these are your steps to go down the cabin. Again, just a beautiful cabin built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. Let me go inside this room here and show you what this one looks like. You can see my truck down there. You see the Carrot Top, the Bella Park model, the shipping container home. You kind of glimpse over there and see the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0 rustic cabin. Again, this is what it looks like with the wall up there and the privatized door. Again, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. Beautiful structure. This is the one we call the Big Bertha 1.0. Now, let's say you wanted the Big Bertha 2.0. The second floor, like what you see here, which is a 14 by 32, stays exactly the same. But down on the first floor, let's go downstairs and show you the difference between the Big Bertha 1.0 and the 2.0. With the 1.0, where this wall stops here, goes out another 10 feet, okay? That way, the second floor is 14 by 32, that stays the same, but the first floor actually goes out another 10 feet. So instead of it being 14 by 32 like this one is, it's actually a 14 by 42. And let me show you what that would look like, and then I'll come back inside and film some more of the inside for you. So like I said, when you order the Big Bertha 2.0, instead of the wall stopping right here on the first floor, it will come out another 10 feet. And that way you can accommodate a first floor bedroom, which means your porch actually comes out 10 foot longer as well. So your porch comes out 10 foot and the first floor extends out 10 foot more. And now you have a 3 bed, 1 bath situation.